All right, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody. You watching Moody TV. Look, you already know the title thumbnail. Got to pick up these white cement fours. Wifey's on the way back home from this women's conference, so I just threw something on real quick, little black t-shirt or whatever. But we also have some other runs to do today. Other runs to make today is my sister-in-law's birthday, so we're gonna go to lunch. But before that, you know, we're gonna pick up the shoes. We also need to retire some shoes. I ain't never make a video on them, but we gotta return these Bread 11 lows. Honestly, it isn't really a bad shoe, but when you have the Bread 11 highs, it's kind of hard to even keep the low tops. Really like the low tops. If I want them again in the future, I'll grab them later, but I need to hurry up and get myself together. Here they are side by side. Y'all let me know that y'all picked these up when they came out. Nice colorway. I'm not mad at you if you grab these. There's nothing wrong with low top Jordan 11s. But let's grab all that, drop these shoes off. Got some Amazon packages we got to return, and yeah, we're gonna take y'all with us, so let's go. So we went ahead, grabbed them, went ahead, did a double up on my size, but now we about to head to
Holly
lunch.
Tie. Yes.
Holly Tie?
It's our sister's birthday.
Yeah, I told them earlier. So
oh, you did? That's why we went out last night.
So we finna head, get this lunch, take a look at these shoes when we get back to the house, wrap this video up, let y'all enjoy y'all Memorial Day weekend. Memorial Day?
Yeah, Memorial Day.
Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, so we are back at the house, and as you saw earlier, we was able to secure that bag. You know me, whenever it comes to sneaker releases and JD, I gotta at least double up if it's a decent pair of shoes. Now, we're not about to take a look at both of them, but as y'all saw earlier, main reason why I love JD is they give you them $20 off coupons. We don't need that bag no more. But let's switch over and talk about these shoes, man. We're gonna dive right into it. As you can see from the tag, it says summer white / fire red right there on the tag of the box. JD Sports did me right today. Gave me a nice solid box. No dents, no rips, tears. You know that's always appreciated from your boy. We gonna pop this top off. We gonna take a look at a very classic Jordan 4 white cement, y'all. Gonna take them out the box. Got that cement paper, as usual. Nothing too crazy about this Jordan 4 when it comes to the packaging, but we're gonna go ahead and put this box away. We don't need that. We wanna talk about the shoes, man. The people ain't gonna see the shoes. People don't see the box. People only see the shoes when you step out with them. Now, we gonna talk about the details that's in this year's pair. All right, y'all, so the last time we got this pair of shoes right here was the year 2016. A very great year if you ask me, in my opinion. I feel like a lot of people in the comment section may agree with me. Y'all let me know. But 2016 was the last time we got these, and it also had the Nike Air Tab. The only difference with this year's pair is that it's been in the same shape, or they said that this is the more original shape from the Jordan 4 white cements in the 80s, right? So when the original pairs came out, this is the closest thing to it. So that's why we are getting a re-release of these. Let's break it down here. So as you can see, the elephant in the room, we're gonna have this orange hang tag. Y'all let me know in the comment section, do y'all wear the hang tag with y'all shoes or do y'all take it off? I heard it's like an old thing whenever people first wore Jordans. Back in the day, a lot of people ended up wearing the orange tag with it. Y'all let me know if y'all wearing the orange tag on y'all pair, if y'all got it. Outside of that, on the toe, you got that Jumpman Flight, clear as day. Going to the bottom, same white cement bottom, Nike Air, gray, black, hints of red on the bottom there, as you can see. On the back, you have that beautiful Nike Air. The hang tab is a little soft. Like I said, it's like the Jordan 4s that they've been making in the past here, past few releases. Got that speckle print right here on the midsole, looking good. You have the mesh here netting, white on white. The wings are all cement, black eyelids when it comes to the laces. And that pretty much makes up the shoe for the most part. On the inside, let's take out the insole real quick. Paper insert. When it comes to the insole, you have an all black insole with Nike here on the side with your size tag there, as always. Now, the main talk about these sneakers here for this year's release is a few things we're gonna talk about before I let y'all go about y'all day. First things first, you know, we got that Widow's Peak, like the OG pairs right there, but the leather quality, you know, there's a lot of people that may feel some type of way. This shoe's gonna take a lot of wears in order to break them in. You know what I'm saying? It's very stiff leather, but I feel like when it comes to the stiff leather, it makes it for a longer lasting shoe in my opinion. I don't know, I could be wrong, but all white shoes do yellow over time, so please be cautious of that. The first thing to go is the shoelaces and the netting material on the side of the shoe. But a lot of people have been speculating about how this release was gonna go, saying that these were fairly limited, less pairs than the previous Jordan 4s that we have received here. A lot of people were saying that these were gonna be very, very limited. Honestly, there was too many pairs on the market, and as you can see from StockX, there's been a lot of people on that's flooding the market, has multiple pairs, because they were fairly easy to get. Like typically when it comes to Jordan 4s, they make a bunch of pairs of them, because at the end of the day, this is what's been their bread and butter for the past 5 years. The Jordan 4s have been a fan favorite across the board. Here recently with the trend, I mean, it's kind of starting to die down a little bit as we've seen, but the sneaker today, I think before they released, they were going for like $320, $300. Now on the market, you're looking at somewhere between like $260 to $280, which is really good. I want to tell y'all, if y'all didn't get this shoe, get it right now. Like, this is probably the perfect time to go ahead and grab this shoe, because you're gonna have a lot of resellers that have an influx of pairs and they're gonna wanna sell them fast. So if you can go on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, StockX, if that's your go-to, you know, make sure you do your due diligence, because there may be some fakes out there. Hate for any of my followers, subscribers to get any fakes. Just make sure you're doing your due diligence. Make sure that everything checks out when you're grabbing your pairs from these people. I feel like if you wait too long, the price is gonna go back up, because that's the thing with resellers. They may be a little bit stubborn and be like, nah, these should be worth $400. So we gonna hold it and wait till Christmas, and then Christmas gonna come around and maybe $350, $320 or whatever, and then these will be a lot more expensive. My take on these pair of shoes, when I first seen these, I'm not gonna hold you guys, I was not going to keep these, but I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna keep these, and I'm gonna grab a couple pair of shoes that I'm now selling, because I own this pair of shoes here. Let me go grab them real quick. Now, the two shoes that I'm gonna have to get rid of, because now I have the white cement 4s, is gonna have to be the military black 4s and the white Oreo 4s. Both of these I have not worn, right? I haven't worn either one of these pairs of shoes, but basically these two shoes conjoined together. I mean, even though they both have Jumpmans on the back, both of these shoes slammed together in order to create this, basically. Even though this shoe has been out for a while, like military blacks are cool, don't get me wrong, but you know, a classic like white cement 4s, you can't go wrong with these, right? Like I think even my pair of white Oreo 4s, like the netting is starting to get yellow a little bit. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but the netting on these are getting a little bit yellow, but luckily I have not worn them. So I'm trying to get the best bang for my buck for these. But yeah, military black 4 is the best thing they really got going for them. I do like this suede toe cap. Some other people might not like it. It does look a little weird whenever they get dirty, but other than that, I do like that hint, and the leather is tumble and soft to the touch, so it's probably a very comfortable Jordan 4 to wear. Since I have the white cement 4s, I no longer need these other 2 pairs of sneakers. These are gonna have to leave the collection here very soon, get my money back for them, therefore paying for these, you know, sell the extra pair or keep them, who knows. Y'all get in the comment section, man. Y'all let me know if y'all was able to grab y'all size in these. Did you pass? Did you get it for a friend, family member? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Outside of that, I'm gonna let y'all go about y'all day. It's Memorial Day weekend. Y'all enjoy yourself. Y'all go barbecue something. Y'all go put something on the grill. Y'all go eat good, man. Enjoy yourselves. If you got these, congratulations. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all in the next video. All right. Appreciate y'all for watching. As always, it's your boy Moody checking out. I'm gonna see y'all around. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Get Away with the Gross channel. Next week, I'm going to Tokyo in Vietnam. So if you want to see videos, that's the channel you want to be subscribed to. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. But outside of that, I'm gone. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.